and I represent McG Foundation here, South Steering Committee person representing that zone. The big question is, should we continue to do the same kind of reports every election cycle? This has been the trend of our reports. The nature of evidence that we collated, that we have, should also form part of our reports. The fact that we are putting in public space, in the public domain, that INEC should do some sort of self-assessment and follow rules and regulations, the Electoral Act and all of that, when we know, obviously, that they have failed us, to me, shouldn't come in here. Because INEC failed us. Some of us saw what happened, escaped death, because we are doing situation room work and for our organizations as well. And each time the election cycle comes and it goes, this is how we gather to talk about issues concerning how we can move forward. INEC will not take us forward. Can't we begin to think of what to do to strengthen situation room and probably identify organizations that will take actions thereafter? If we can't do that, for crying out loud, we should have information, pictures of how INEC has failed us in our report, at least to show the world that we did observation. We have dozens of information. None is here. What we have here is beautiful pictures and putting up words that will make the whole process look as though we are jokers. And I'm not happy with the report. I need to be sincere about it, and we need to be clear and be focused that subsequently we need to take action as situation room to move this process forward. Thank you.